Ah! Witness. Ano yan? Greatness?
Now you will see.
Ay, gagi ka.
Your very soul reduced to ash.
Easy lang, man. Nakakaunta ng patch ko yung damage niya.
Euphoria.
Patay ka na, boy.
Complex will.
Ano, next round? Otik. Ano yun? Ano yun, man? Matangina naman niya, man.
All
Ano?
ingenuity never ceases to amaze me.
Baka hindi pa to yung paano.
Hello.
Walang arit eh.
These runes. I can make out symbols for blood and offering. Wait, no. It's not a blood offering, it's someone of Val blood. Perhaps if I...
Alin? Yung boss?
This is truly something!
Ay, meron pa nga. Uy.
Apex! It's opening! Goodness me!
What is gonna happen, bro?
We're back in the encampment? I can't believe it! We were right on top of this
Ay,
device
hindi.
the entire time.
Uy.
Gateway. Oh, how incredible!
Yung level 11.
Shock Chain Arrow will hone in on shocked enemies. Upon hitting one, a shockwave will be released and a lightning beam will chain to another target. This chain can continue as long as there are more shocked monsters to target. Shock Chain Arrow will hone in on shocked enemies. Upon hitting one, a shockwave will be released and a lightning beam will chain to another target. This Shock Chain Arrow will hone in on shocked enemies. Upon hitting one, a shockwave will be released and a lightning beam will chain to another target. Tornado Shot whips up a tornado where it lands, damaging and slowing enemies. Projectiles use Tornado Shot whips up a tornado where it lands.
Uy. Nahihigop. Ayos na yan.
Quickly.
Man. Nahihigop ako. Oh, saan na? Yan pala. Man. Trabaho mo naman. Feeling ko talaga may ano ka lang dyan. May something ka lang na hindi nagagawa kaya hindi lumalakas.
Are these?
Kasi nakita ka dito, no? Meron akong kita, level 50 plus na monk eh.
My name
So, ibig sabihin, hindi nahihirapan yun. Ang lagang pusong gala. Ito, may kasama na rin ako dito. Maraming 45. What the hell? Ang log. It is lagging, bro.